Hi guys, welcome to Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Now today's recipe, I'm making a beautiful chicken slider with a lovely red cabbage coleslaw, and I'm going to serve it with some beer battered fries. It's going to be delicious. Come on guys, let's get cooking. Let's go over the ingredients for this chicken slider dish. I've got a cup of grated red cabbage, half a cup of very finely chopped red capsicum, same again with the onion, very finely chopped red onion. I've got 1 cup of grated carrot. I've got a little bit of spinach on the back here, probably about 1/4 cup of spinach because I didn't have any parsley. I'm going to add some dried sage to this. We're going to grate some lemon and we're going to add some mayonnaise to this and a little bit of lemon juice. So let's get the coleslaw ready first. Into a bowl, I'm just going to combine all my ingredients. That's my carrot, cabbage. Scoop it all up. So that's everything into the bowl. I'm going to add some very finely chopped dried sage because sage goes beautiful with chicken. This has just been drying out. You probably just want about 1/4 teaspoon. Just chop it up nice and fine. Into the mix. Grated lemon zest, about 1/2 lemon in there. I'm going to add some mayonnaise to this now. A good couple of teaspoons of mayonnaise in there. And then what you want to do is mix it around. Good squeeze of lemon juice. Just catch all the pips there. And there it is. Okay, so now we can get on to the second part. I've got some spinach here which I've washed and I'm going to add that towards the end. I've got these brioche rolls. I'm not going to bother toasting them. You'll see that come together at the end. I've got some chicken which I've finely sliced. 1 chicken breast. It's quite thin. I'm going to shallow fry these and you can deep fry them as well. Got my egg wash, which consists of 1 egg, just a splash of milk, a little bit of salt and pepper. Got some panko breadcrumbs, and I've got some flour here, just normal all-purpose flour. And we're going to dust these in the flour, pat them into the egg wash, and then into the breadcrumbs. Like so. So guys, into a medium-sized frying pan, you want to put a couple of cups of vegetable oil. Okay, so on a medium-high heat, you want to heat up that oil, shallow frying the chicken till it's nice and golden brown on one side. Then we're going to flip it over. And you want to cook this till it's nice and golden brown. Turn them over now and give them another couple of minutes on that side. Perfectly cooked chicken, lovely coleslaw. I just stole a bit of the end piece there. Give it a try. Beautiful. Thanks again for watching my channel. Hope you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll get updated every time I upload a new recipe. Have yourselves a wonderful week, and until next week, Take care.